Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to Tech One channel again. Sorry for late uploading of the videos. Uh, Today video is based on how we can convert a image file into a Word file. We can turn the image file into a Word file while using a OCR website. So sometimes what happen, we got an image file and we can't copy and paste the content of that image file into a Word file or in Excel. So what we have to do, we just have to type it manually or enter the data in the Excel manually. So it will take so much time of our to create that file again on Word or Excel or any other format. Okay, and then we just have to convert it into PDF and that thing. So if there is a software with a freeware here, freeware, we can use that software without any cost, without any single penny. So what I will be showing you today, I will be showing you how you can convert the image file into a Word file. So if you have a letter document that you want in a Word file, you can convert it into a Word file, or if you have an Excel file with the tables and that thing, so if you can get it in an Excel file. So it will be easy for us to manage all the things, and we can get a quick report, a quick file in 5 minutes. And it will, if we create that file, it will take whole day to create that file. So it is easy for us to just upload whichever format you require, just convert it and download that file, and you get the same file with the same thing. Might be there are some of the words that you might be have to amend, because in image file some of the words got clubbed or it's not got properly scanned over. So some of the word that we just need to check. Otherwise what you upload, you get that file same to same, nothing will be changed, the data will be accurate and everything will be fine. So we will be using a OCR website. We don't have to install any software or any thing on our PC. It is a freeware software. We can use it online without any single use of penny or any. We just have to we don't have to pay anything to them. They are just freeware website. We can use it on an online platform, and we can convert the PDF into docs or image into document or Excel file, whichever you require. So I will be showing you image as well as PDF file. We can convert both the files into a Excel or a PDF file, because generally we are using the Word and Excel in this time doing the work of our offices. And OCR is a free OCR website in a guest mode without registration that allow you to convert 15 images per hour. So they are allowing 15 images per hour to you to convert from image to Word or PDF to Word or Excel. So it's a great thing without any charges. We are getting that file converted into Word or Excel in a if you have multiple PDF, then it will be doing accordingly. So you can have it with the with same file with same thing. So let me show you how you can convert the image file into a Word file or Excel file on my PC, so you can have a better idea. Let's go. So hi guys, let's start how you can convert the PDF or image file from which you cannot copy or paste the data across to a Word or Excel file. So I'm showing you how you can convert that file into a Word or Excel file. So the website that we are using is onlineocr.net. I will give the I will putting the URL in description so you can have it. So what you have to do is a simple website. You just have to click on select file. There are 4 files that I used. This is a Word document, this is an Excel document that I put in an image, This is the same document of PDF from which I get this image. So you can have both, so you can check both files and have an idea about it. So first we are using the Word document image. So just click and open it and select the thing from select the format that you want, document or JPG. So conversion of that is, so the file got uploaded. You just need to press convert. So they are just processing that, and this is the final output of the file. So click on download output file. Once it get download, I will show you the both of the result, so you can have the actual idea how it's work and how we get the thing, the file transfer across to that the same file that I have. So this is the file that I got from OCRonline.net, and this is the image file that I use. So if you can see, both of the things are same, so you get the exact result that you want. Previously I told you that there are some of the character that you just have to check, because if you check problem hash 4, it takes as a FK. So you just have to recheck some of the things, except that everything will be the same. Because what they do, the software just assume that this is the FNK, so they just transfer into FNK instead of hash. So this is the first file that we got transfer in a Word file. Now let's try Excel. So again, select file. This is the, let me show you, this is the table that I used. So let's see if we get the same thing or not. Click on open, click the file XLS. Once it get uploaded, this button will get active. Convert. So it's processing and it's done. Download the output file, show in a folder. Let's open it. So this is the file that we have, and that we got from online OCR.net, and this is the file that we use. If you check, both of the things are the same, so you just have to just format it like that way, whichever you want. And if we format like this way, that's it, done. So this is way you can transfer the image file into a Word or Excel file. Let's try PDF now. So this is the first PDF that we are using, job title and grade. I got a sample file for you, so let's open it. Okay, so this is the table that we used previously as an image. There are 3 pages. Let's try it out if it's work or not. Select job and title grade. We already select XLS. Once it's got uploaded, the convert button will get active. We just have to click on convert button once it get active. Yeah, it's got uploaded and convert, so it's got processing. The processing time is depend on the file that you are using. The if the file is big, it will take more time. If the file is small, then it will take less time. It's depend on the file that you are using. Let's open the file that we got. See, same file, same thing I got in one Excel. It's a good thing, or free of cost. It's a nice website. So let's delete this all, and now let's select the another file, CPU4. Let me open and show you. There are only one page. We already converted from image. Let's try from PDF. It's got uploaded. The format you are using is docs because it's a document type file, so we are using document. It got uploaded. Press convert. Then download. Yeah, see, the same file, same format, nothing has been changed. So if you check now, the PDF file, the Word file, sorry, the image file that we use as one error fk, instead of using hashtag hash, the online system provides us with the result of fk. If I just uploaded the PDF file and I got the same result, mind-blowing result that I got from OCR online net. This is the very good website that we can use in our daily life. If we are using if we have that type of work of conversion the image file into a Word file or that type of work, we can use this software. It is very very useful software that we can use in day-to-day time, day-to-day work. So guys, this is the thing. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like this video, and also there is a subscribe button given at the end of my video. Just click on it, and a bell icon as well, so you can get the notification every time whenever I upload good videos for you. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and I just require blessings so I can put more videos, helpful videos for you, and see you guys. Thanks for watching.